Hello students, I'm Zahra Fatima. Welcome back to our channel. Students, this video is for Osmania University BCom semester 6 students, and in this video I'm sharing with you the subject cost control and management accounting CCMA 100% pass theory important questions for the examination April 2025. Now unit 1 is introduction to management accounting and marginal costing. First short questions. Define management accounting, explain its features, very important. Define marginal costing, explain its objective, this is also very important. Break even analysis, CVP analysis. CVP analysis is 100% important. Marginal costing versus absorption costing, 100% important. Make or buy, that is also 100% important. Now long questions. Define management accounting, explain its features, objectives, importance, scopes, advantages and limitation. 100% important question. Define marginal costing, explains objectives, importance, advantages and limitation. This is also very important. Explain the differences between marginal costing and absorption costing. That is also very important. Now short questions from unit 2, budgetary control and standard costing. What is budget? Very important. What is budgetary control and its objective? Very important. Standard costing is very important. Variance analysis, 100% important. Differences between standard costing and budgetary control, this question is important not only for short, it is important for long also. Standard cost, this question is also very important. Now unit 2, long questions. What is budget and budgetary control? Explain its features, objectives, advantages and limitations. 100% important. Explain briefly the classification or types of budget. Very important. Define standard costing, explain its objectives, features, advantages, limitation, and also differences between standard costing and historical costing. 100% important question. What is variance and variance analysis? Explain its significance and types of variances. Now unit 3, techniques of financial statement analysis. Short questions. What is financial statement analysis? Very important. Horizontal and vertical analysis, this question is 100% important. Comparative income statement, common size income statement, very important. What is ratio analysis? 100% important. Debt equity ratio and proprietary ratio, these two are separate ratios, is very important. Now unit 3, long questions. Explain the various techniques of financial statement analysis. Very important. Define financial statement analysis, explain its objectives and significance. Very important. What is ratio analysis and how it is its objectives, classification, types of ratio, and how ratio analysis is helpful for decision making. This question is 100% important. How ratio analysis is helpful for decision making. Very important. Now unit 4, fund flow analysis. First short questions. What is fund flow statement? Very important. What do you mean by working capital? 100% important. And maybe he will ask you what is gross working capital and net working capital also. Limitations of fund flow analysis, very important. Now fund flow analysis, unit 4, long questions. What do you mean by fund and fund flow statement analysis? Explain its features, objectives, advantages and limitations. Very important. Differences between fund flow statement and income statement and balance sheet also. So maybe he will ask you difference between fund flow statement and income statement, or he will ask you difference between fund flow statement and balance sheet, or maybe he will ask you difference between fund flow statement, income statement as well as balance sheet. Now unit 5, cash flow analysis. First short questions. What is cash flow statement? Very important. Cash flow from investing activities, very important. Cash flow from financing activities, this question is very important. And cash flow analysis also very important. Students, in this video I am sharing with you only the theory questions. Now unit 5, cash flow analysis, long questions. What is cash flow statement? Explain its importance, advantages and limitations. Then distinguish between fund flow statement and cash flow statement. This question is 100% important. Fund flow and cash flow statement, differences between, this question is important for short also. Students, very soon I'm going to upload the other subjects important questions also, so stay connected with us. Like and share this video with all your friends, and if you are new to my channel, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that future notifications will come to you directly. and start your preparation from these questions, because whatever questions I am sharing in this video, that questions are very important. So stay connected with us. Thanks for watching this video.